We bought slime today off of my friends Ella and Maggie.
Ooh. All right, so Ella and Maggie made this slime. It was Jason's, but I bought it off of him.
So what she's doing is selling her slime at school.
So I bought gold slime from Etsy. People say it's bad slime. I've never had it.
It's powder, no duh.
Yes.
So what she's doing is she's gonna sell that slime and owe me back my money. So then I'll get that money, buy the slime off of Ella and Maggie, and then just keep on selling stuff.
Yeah. So
And then again, but if you want to buy some of this slime, tell us if you would like some of this purple slime, because I'm sure she'll be glad to give you some.
yes,
It's like $1.50 because we don't have much.
it's like butter slime and slime.
It's like $1.50 for maybe half.
Yes, it has a.
This is for like $1.50, but we'll get out our deals now.
It smells great. There's lotion in it to make it more stretchy, and there's a little shaving cream in there.
But again, we are looking at me. But we're selling. We'll start off with the cheap one, $2.50 because you know it's good slime. Watch, look.
Yeah, this one.
Open it. You can pop it right out.
This one's $2.50.
This is $2.
Yeah, this one's $2. This one's $2.50 because this one has more.
Yeah, a lot more. If you guys want to measure, see.
That is.
I'll push it down with the pen. Give me the knife.
This is this one.
So, if you guys want to measure, say $2.50 for this one. It could have been like $3, but we were being generous today. You guys,
Yeah, this one is $2.50. You can see it up there. That one is $2.
comment down below if you would like to buy some. Just name this one head here, or no head, no
Head O'Hare.
no head, no head. So if you want no head, you can get this one. If you want head, get this one. If you
Yeah,
want to buy them
head,
again.
no head.
So
Remember, no head has more. Head has less.
now we'll be starting into our videos.
After that, wash your hands.
Enamel is the outer surface of the teeth that's white. If there's a thinning of the enamel, the teeth actually appear more enamel. Pronamel is making your teeth stronger and more resistant to wear. Start using Pronamel right away and have that be your toothpaste for the rest of your life.
Have a despicably delicious breakfast with these special edition jars of Nutella.
Pause.